the next thing I'm going to put on is this little Yak Attack 4-inch rail. And it's a bit of a nightmare. Because this is a place where water gets really badly. And I don't know, I got to make sure that I seal it up really well with this. This comes with the screws. Should have 4. Yeah, I've got 4. Okay, this is just a little light Yak Attack mount. So the aluminum one, it's a 4-inch mount. And what we're gonna do, this is gonna be the mount for our flag, because I'm gonna do some night fishing out of this. Since the state I'm in, I have to have a 360 light. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I wonder if I even want it further back. Nah, I want it right here so I can reach it. I cast right-handed, so I cast off to the left a lot. I think this will work just fine. Okay. Let's see what size holes I need. That's going to get us where we want to be. So now, I'm going to go ahead and start this one and drill the other holes. Okay, that one's started. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my epoxy, because this is just some 5-minute epoxy. I really don't want to risk it for the biscuit on this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. That should be good and mixed already, because I bought the part kind where it mixes itself. Just gonna dip a little bit of it up. And dab it on the screw. And send her home. And I'm using a screwdriver here. Because I don't want to over tighten. So right there, that's good. And we'll just do that again until we're all the way done. We'll give that just a little bit to set, and then we will call it good.